Hey, kindergarten. Today is Wednesday. It is April 22nd, and it is time for sound work. As we do every day, we're going to start today with our rhymes. Today's rhyme is ed, thinking of words that end with ed. Red, lead, bed, fed, sled. Can you think of any more? All right, beginning sounds. Ready? Icing, icing, I. Apron, apron, A. Okay, okay, O. East, east, E. Use, use, U. Nice job. All right, I'm going to give you some sounds. We're going to blend them together, figure out the word is. Ready? T, oob, tube. W, ave, wave. K, ite, kite. D, eep, deep. R, ood, rude. H, ope, hope. F, ein, fine. K, ain, cane. L, ook, luke. K, ol, coal. Nice job. All right, let's hop on our roller coaster for our beginning sounds. Wide, wide, w-eyed, I. Main, 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 a. Pull, pull, p-ole, o. Tube, tube, t-oob, oo. Might, 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 I. Seam, 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 e. Nail, 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 a. Nice job. All right, get choppers out. Ready? Here we go. Robe, robe, robe. Bite, bite, bite. Fume, fume, fume. Gate, gate, g-ate. Mute, mute, mute. Name, name, name. Like, like, like. Maze, maze, maze. Nice, nice, nice. Coat, coat, coat. All right, here we go. I'm going to tell you the end of the word. We're going to put on a beginning sound, see what the word is. Ache, ache, add w, wake. Add r, room. Ove, add k, cove. Ike, add b, bike. Un, add m, moon. All right, here we go with the word. I'm going to take out a sound and we're going to see what's left. Cape, cape without k is ape. Soon without s is un. Nice, nice without n is ice. Boot without b is oot. Robe without r is obe. Okay, let's change our beginning sound to something else so we can come up with a new word. Okay, nice, change n to m, mice. Mice, change m to d, dice. Dice, change d to r, rice. Rice, change r to v, vice. Vice, change v to n, nice. Excellent job. Okay, here we go. We're going to do our letter name and our sound. Letter, M, sound, Letters, th, sound f. Letter, B, sound b. Letter, H, sound h. Letter, A, sound a. Second sound, A. Letter, C, sound k. Second sound, S. Letter, G sound, G, G, G. Second sound, J, J, J. Letter O sound, ah, ah, ah. Second sound, O. Letter R sound, R. Letter K sound, K, K, K. Letter X sound, X. The beginning it might say Z. Letter I sound, I, I, I. Second sound, I. Letter Z sound, Z. Letter N sound, N. Letter J sound, J, J, J. Letter T sound, T, T, T. Letter F sound, F. Letter P sound, P, P, P. Letter L sound, L. Letter E sound, eh, eh, eh. Second sound, E. Letter Y sound, y, y, y. Can also say E or I. Letter D sound, d, d, d. Letters CH sound, ch, ch, ch. Letter S sound, S. Letter Q sound, qu, qu, qu. Letter U sound, Second sound, U. Letters SH sound, sh. Letter V sound, v. Letter W sound, w, w, w. All right, let's get on with our word solving and our nursery rhyme. Yesterday, we talked about a new word solving strategy called Look for Parts You Know. And remember, we're looking for chunks or parts of a word that we might already know that can help us word solve. And yesterday, we talked about OR saying or in k, orn, or h, orn, horn. And today, we're going to use that knowledge to try to figure out this word. Okay, this word's going to show up a couple times in our poem. And I see a part that I know. I want you to think if you see a part of this word that you already know. You see a part you know? I see this part right here that I know. Think about what those two letters say when they're together. Shh. So instead of saying s, we're going to say shh for that part. And you might know this already too. When you have two E's together, they make the long E sound. E. If you didn't know that, when you tried to word solve, you could try a different sound for that vowel and figure it out. Okay, let's see if we can do it now. You ready? Let's say the parts of the words and put them together. Sh, e, p, sheep. Nice word solving. All right, let's take a look at our poem. Here we go. Little boy blue. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where's the little boy who looks after the sheep? I see something else in here. See this symbol right here. You might know what this symbol means. This is a question mark. And when you see a question mark, it means the author is asking a question. They don't know the answer to this. And so when we read a question mark, our voice is going to go up a little bit like we're asking a question. So where's the little boy who looks after the sheep? Did you see how in sheep, my voice went up a little like I'm asking a question? All right, let's try it again. Little boy blue. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where's the little boy who looks after the sheep? Nice job today. See you tomorrow, Johnson.